India has recorded 14 fresh cases of new coronavirus mutant strain, first reported in the United Kingdom in September, taking the total number of such cases to 20, the government said this morning. The new strain, believed to be significantly more transmissible, has been spreading fast across the world amid global fears and fresh travel restrictions after the UK said earlier this month that the virus was out of control. On Tuesday, the government said 6 patients were infected with the mutant virus, the first cases to be reported by the country. The farmers' protest is going on for more than a month now against the 3 farm laws brought by the Modi government. Farmers' group are going to have a 6th round of talks with the government today. Opposition parties and especially Congress leader Rahul Gandhi are attacking the Modi government. Earlier, PM Modi had said that the farmers are being misled by the opposition parties, and now Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has slammed Rahul Gandhi. Rajnath Singh invoked his background as a child born in farmer's family and said that he knows more about farming than Rahul Gandhi. Singh said, "I was born into a farmer's family and that is why I know more about farming than Rahul Gandhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was born in the house of the poor." That is what Rajnath Singh said. Union Minister Rajnath Singh has said that he personally does not support conversion for marriage and questioned why it should be required. The minister, a parliamentarian from Lucknow, was questioned about the alleged misuse of the anti-conversion law enacted by the Uttar Pradesh government. Uttar Pradesh is one of the several BJP-ruled states that have made new laws to stop forcible religious conversions and what the right wing calls love jihad, which has generated a huge controversy. As far as I know, in the Muslim religion, one cannot marry someone from another religion. I personally do not approve of conversion for marriage, he added. The minister said there is a difference between natural marriage and forcible religious conversion for marriage. Protesting farmer unions on Tuesday wrote to the centre on the talks scheduled between the two sides on Wednesday, saying that the discussion will only be on the modalities of repealing the 3 legislation and giving a legal guarantee on the MSP. The government has invited the protesting farmers for the 6th round of talks on Wednesday. In its letter on Tuesday, the Sanyukta Kisan Morcha, which represents 40 farmer unions, said that the discussion will be only on the modalities for the repeal of 3 farm laws and a legal guarantee on MSP. The Morcha further said that the agenda of the meeting should also include amendments to be made and notified in the Commission for the Air Quality Management in National Capital Region and Adjoining Areas Ordinance 2020 to exclude farmers from its penal provisions. Through the letter, the Morcha also formally accepted the government's invitation for the dialogue. In a bid to avoid overcrowding and ensure social distancing amid raging coronavirus pandemic, the central government made a number of changes in Republic Day Parade in 2021. For the first time in the history of Republic Day Parade, the parade will not culminate at the Red Fort. It will start from Vijay Chowk and end at National Stadium. The distance of the parade has also been cut down to half, from an earlier 8.2 kilometers to 3.3 kilometers now. As part of the new protocols, all marching contingents and participants will have to wear face masks and the contingents will be smaller this time. Instead of 144 members, each will have only 96 participants.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.